Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this cool pattern on any of your big cubes. Okay, so I've heard people saying I seem to be the only one that knows how to make this pattern, that actually knows the algorithm for it. And that might be true, but that might not. There's all kinds of cubers out there, so I'm sure there's someone else that knows how to do this. But I've seen a lot of people want to know how to make this, so I'm going to show you. For example, I have a 9x9 that I'm going to show you how to make the pattern on. You can really make it on any cube from maybe 5x5 to 21x21, whatever. Here's the algorithm for it. I'm going to start with the outer layers again. Do U, R2, L2, F2, B2, U, R, L, F, B prime, U, R2, L2, F2, U2, F2, D2, F2, U prime, F2. And that's, guess how it would look on a 3x3. So it doesn't look too good. So we're going to do the algorithm again. And now do 2 layers instead of 1, so it's going to be like UW and moves like that. But it's the same algorithm. So U, R2, L2, F2, B2, U, R, L, F, B prime, U, R2, L2, F2, U2, F2, D2, F2, U prime, F2. It's hard to do finger tricks on 9x9 because the layers are so small, and I have the algorithm shown up on the screen right here. It's a 20 move algorithm. You'll have to memorize it. It's kind of long, but once you get it, just keep practicing and you won't forget. So here it is again. And there we go, that's what it looked like on a 7x7, so I'm going to do it one more time since I have a 9x9. If you have a 7x7, do the algorithm 3 times. If you have a 5x5, do it 2. If you have an 11x11, do it 5 times. And if you have a 13x13, do it 6. And again, if you're using bigger cubes, like maybe a 13x13 or a 15x15, you're going to want to count the layers you're doing and remember them, because if you make a mistake, you scrambled the whole cube. I don't know if I made a mistake or not. No, I didn't. But like, if you make a mistake, the whole cube is scrambled, you have to solve it. So make sure you know how many layers you're moving. And there you go. There's this really cool pattern on the 9x9. So yeah, I hope you learned how to do this pattern from this tutorial. Thanks for watching my video, I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one.